400. 400. According to ABC News, that's how many lost pets Front Street Animal Shelter in Sacramento took in last year on the 4th of July week. That's one shelter. Imagine how many pets go missing overall in the US if just one shelter took in 400 because of the fireworks. Fox News said that 30 to 60% of those pets will end up being euthanized. My name is Ariane Kinder. I will be explaining simple methods on how to teach dogs that they do not need to fear fireworks. Maybe you or someone you know has a dog that is scared of fireworks. I have been training dogs for over 10 years, and I have trained one of my own dogs to no longer fear fireworks. We will focus on how to know if your dog is scared, how to desensitize them, and simple management strategies. According to veterinarians Horwitz and Landsberg, desensitization is a technique of exposing the pet to a stimulus that would normally cause an undesirable reaction at an extremely low level so that there is no response. In other words, we can make our dogs less sensitive to the sound of fireworks and other potentially aversive sounds such as storms. Think about people who live by an airport. Often, they don't notice the sounds of the airplanes anymore because they hear them so often. Let's talk about the setup. You will need a sound-emitting device that can connect to the internet, such as a Bluetooth speaker, Alexa, computer, Google Home Smart TV, or cell phone. For added effect, a device with good bass can be helpful to make the sounds more realistic, but is not required. Find a station or YouTube channel that will play fireworks sounds. Use your best judgment to determine which sounds are most realistic. As a side note, you can also play storm sounds, gunshot sounds, or any sound that your dog is fearful of. Now it's time to desensitize. Play the sounds at a low enough volume that your dog notices but is not high enough for them to exhibit signs of stress. Your dog might look at the direction of the sound or flick his or her ears up and tilt his head, but they should not seem overly stimulated by it. According to the world-renowned dog trainer Victoria Stilwell, signs of stress may include widening up the eyes, lowering head and tucking tail, shaking, hiding, pacing, panting, moving away from the sound, barking at the sound, licking the lips, or suddenly yawning. Slowly increase the volume of your dog's comfort level. The speed at which you progress will depend on your dog. And if at any time they begin showing signs of stress, you are going too quickly. The more often that you work on this, the quicker the results. Aim for 5 minutes a day. Sometimes you need to seek medical treatment for your dog in addition to the training. If you feel you are doing everything correctly and your dog's fear is still present, you may need to consult with a behavioral veterinarian who can prescribe medication. I have a few management tips to help in addition to the training, or if there's a storm or fireworks coming too soon to fully desensitize. Here are some short-term tips that can help. Some people have had success with methods such as thunder shirts, which are compression vests to help reduce anxiety, or CBD oil, which according to akc.com has some anecdotal evidence to support its benefit in dogs. You can also try playing the TV loudly to drown out the noise. You can crate them with a comfortable bedding and cover over the crate to help them feel safe as well. Never leave your dog in the yard during fireworks, even if they usually do okay. It just takes one loud bang to start a fear and possibly have them escape and get lost. Lastly, start desensitizing them as a puppy. There is so much we can do to help our dogs that take no more than 5 minutes a day. Desensitizing dogs to fireworks and storms is possible and can save a dog's life. 4th of July doesn't have to leave shelters overcrowded with healthy dogs who were just scared of the noise. Desensitizing dogs to fireworks and thunderstorms is easy and can prevent anxious behavior. Your dog deserves to be comfortable and safe.